So, hey Simona, welcome here. And we are so excited to be a partner of ETH Cluj. I understand that you are organizing an event there, so we would love to hear more from you about this event and if there are any gifts and surprise for our listeners.
Of course. Thank you so much for having me once again. Always lovely to chat to you, Pooja, and the ECH team. Yeah, just to talk a little bit around ETH Cluj this year. Again, we appreciate so much the partnership and the support that we received from you guys last year and continuing into this year as well. So as you already know, this year it's our second edition of ETH Cluj Ethereum for Everyone conference. It will take place between 13 to 14 of May. This time we're shifting location from the previous innovation hub of one of the technical universities here in Romania. We're shifting to a slightly more accommodating place in terms of space and venue. This would be the Cluj Arena, a stadium. We're having some really nice spots booked over there, and I think you will really enjoy the conference this year. It's going to be fun, equally as educational, right? So just to speak a little bit around, like the conference event and what we have prepared. Last year we had 4 stages. This year we pretty much have the same. So when I say stages, don't think about, like a lot of super glam, very imposing and very academic environment. We want to make it as entertaining and as welcoming for everyone. So this year event will have 2 main stages as well as 2 workshop rooms. We're hopefully going to be able to welcome all of the attendees that hosting workshops this year. I know that it's challenging just because, like the overall context. So we're still confirming a few. I think the workshops this year are going to be super interesting. I'm not going to go too much into the details for those ones because we're soon going to announce more. But we are expecting about more than 40 speakers, a lot of students. We've received a lot of student applications. We're offering free tickets for students and quite a few interesting sessions. The list of available speakers, already announced speakers, it's already up on our website. It's going to be like Chiki from Protocol Guild, who is going to talk around, like everything that Protocol Guild supports, like Ethereum Layer 1 core protocol contributors. You guys know this. I'm not going to talk too much about it. We have Milos, who's one of the core protocol developers working at Ethereum Foundation. We have Sinkas, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. He is a program manager for Arbitrum DAO. And we're really looking forward to hosting him and hearing more about what Arbitrum has in store for us in this new context of Layer 2s in Ethereum. We have contributors from Logos. First one already announced is Roxana, who is actually a core contributor at Logos, and she's leading the London chapter. We're really excited to hear from them. Actually, Roxana has attended as a simple attendee last year, and this year has decided to take it one step further and apply as a speaker as well. We have Gavin from Armada. Maybe you've heard Gavin in several other privacy-related protocols. I'm very excited about him joining the speaker lineup because I think this is somebody who's really well ethically aligned with everything that we stand for. So yeah, really excited about his talk, really excited about having him over. We also have a lot of speakers from Romania as well, one of them being, probably you've seen last year as well, you've seen him on stage last year as well, Gabi Dumitriu. So he's a certified investigator, blockchain expert, building tools to combat illicit crypto activity. Everything that he's working on is super exciting, and actually he's going to host a workshop as well. So yeah, we have a lot of cool speakers. I'm not going to go through all the lineup, but yeah, definitely having some discounted tickets prepared for the ECH community. And we invite everyone to join us this year as well. I think it's going to be fun, and I think you're definitely going to come back once you come to Cluj, to ETH Cluj. Thank you.
I'm sure that's a beautiful city, and this organization is doing a great job connecting the academic people, entertaining students, and giving them this opportunity to be a part of this Web3 ecosystem. Well, I would be happy to add all related links in show notes so people can follow it. If there is anything specific, any message that you want to send out to our listeners here today.
First of all, thank you for being in the Ethereum ecosystem and contributing. This is already something super valuable. And just one thing maybe for this year, just don't forget about your local Ethereum communities. Make sure to support them. Everyone is doing their best to put out like the best events and the best content out there for you guys. And I just have a lot of respect for everyone who's already, like pushing the line further, right? Thank you so much.
Ethereum is for everyone, and everyone has a role to play in.
Definitely.
All right, it was great talking to you, Simona, and I really look forward for the event. I may not be able to join in person, but I'm looking forward to follow the recordings, the videos that would be shared later on. But all the best to you and the team for organizing this event.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, guys. Take care.
We are so happy and excited to be a part of ETH Cluj this year as well. Community, if you are interested in having this kind of partnership and support from ECH Institute, please reach out to us on our Discord, and you can find other details in the show notes. We'll be really happy to be a part of your community. We all can make Ethereum work together.